In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy S&P 500 Robinhood. If you've ever wanted broad exposure to the largest US companies in a single move, this is one of the most straightforward ways to do it. On Robinhood, you don't buy the S&P 500 index directly. Instead, you buy an ETF, an exchange-traded fund, that tracks the index's performance. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or heading to the website and logging in. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top. Type one of these ticker symbols, SPY, VOO, or IVV. All three are ETFs designed to track the S&P 500, so they aim to move in line with the index. You'll notice small differences like who manages the fund, its expense ratio, trading volume, and the price per share. But they all serve the same core purpose, providing S&P 500 exposure. Tap the ETF you want to explore and open its page. Here, you can review the fund's overview, performance chart, and key details. If you're choosing between them, consider simple factors like cost and liquidity. Expense ratio is the ongoing fee the fund charges, and trading volume can influence how easily you can buy or sell. For most long-term investors, any of these three is a solid option. When you're ready to buy, tap Trade, then tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Robinhood supports fractional shares, so you can start with as little as a few dollars, even if a full share costs more. Next, choose your order type. A market order is the simplest. It aims to buy immediately at the current price. If you want more control over the price you pay, you could use a limit order, but for beginners, market orders are typically the most straightforward. Review the details, then confirm to place the order. Once the order fills, you now own a piece of the S&P 500 through that ETF. You can view your position in your portfolio, track your gains and losses over time, and add to your investment whenever you like. To be clear, you're not buying the index itself. You're buying a fund that holds the same large companies the index includes, such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia, among many others. That means instant diversification across sectors in a single purchase. Your returns should closely follow the index, minus the fund's small fee. Over time, this can be a simple, low-effort foundation for a long-term investing plan.